pain is keeping you up at night, tesoro? Hurts when you chew, talk, even breathe. Mamma mia, don't suffer another minute. Today, right here in Nonna Tina's kitchen, I'll share 10 fast natural remedies using things you already have to calm that awful pain subito. Ciao, belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Mamma mia! I've been soothing toothaches with kitchen remedies since long before Google could tell you how. In this video, I'll share 10 of my fastest fixes to calm that awful pain fast, enough to get you safely to the dentist. Si, il dentista. Because, tesoro, these remedies help the pain, but they don't fix the tooth. You must promise Nonna you'll go. The sooner the better. Now, let's ease your suffering together. Here are my secrets. Pain pulsing like a drum? Grab some ice. Wrap a few cubes in a cloth and gently press on your cheek near the sore tooth for 15 minutes. Cold numbs the pain and reduces swelling, like magic from your freezer. Try peppermint. It cools and calms. Brew a tea bag, let it chill, and place it on the aching spot. It's gentle and soothing. Perfect if you're sensitive to strong flavors. Garlic is not just for pasta sauce, darling. Crush a clove into a paste and dab it on the sore tooth. It's a natural antibiotic and numbs pain. The smell? It's the scent of healing. This one comes straight from Nonna's childhood. Stir 1/2 teaspoon of salt in warm water and rinse for 30 seconds. Saltwater rinse fights infection, calms the area, and cleanses your mouth. Simple but strong. Cloves have been used for centuries, and there's a reason. They work. Chew a clove gently or dab clove oil on a cotton swab and press it on the tooth. It numbs the pain and fights germs like a warrior. Got guava leaves? Chew a few fresh ones, or boil them in water, add sea salt and rinse. It's anti-inflammatory and helps with pain, ulcers, and swollen gums. One of Nonna's favorites. Thyme isn't just for meatballs. Boil a few sprigs in water for a rinse, or mix a few drops of thyme essential oil with water and apply with a cotton ball. It's packed with healing power and fights bacteria like a champ. Wheatgrass is a powerhouse. Chew it fresh or use its juice as a mouthwash. It pulls toxins, feeds your gums, and freshens breath. Fantastico! Cut a slice of raw onion and place it on the sore tooth. Can't chew, just press it with your finger. The stronger the onion, the stronger the effect. Red or yellow onions are best. Turmeric is golden in every way. Mix the powder with water, or honey if you like it sweet, and dab it on the sore spot. It soothes and fights bacteria. Pain and swelling, gone. Toothache striking while you're stuck? Try pressing the spot between your thumb and index finger. Hold firm. Nonna's trick fires up your body's pain-fighting power. Relief in minutes. Remember, as you see, these remedies can be powerful, but they're not a permanent fix. If your tooth still hurts after a day or two, please see a dentist. Sometimes we need a little help from science too. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Until next time, stay well, and remember, Nonna's kitchen always has another secret waiting. Ciao.